Are you tired of spending too much time searching for files and applications on your Mac? Say goodbye to productivity pitfalls. In this video, we're sharing 15 quick and powerful Spotlight hacks that will supercharge your Mac experience. Let's dive in and make your daily tasks a breeze. Basic app launching. Open Spotlight by pressing Command plus space. Start typing the name of the app you want to launch. Once it appears in the results, press Enter to open it. Calculator and conversions. Type a mathematical expression or conversion directly in Spotlight. Instantly view the calculated result or conversion without opening a dedicated app. Adjust brightness and volume. Type brightness or volume in Spotlight. Adjust the settings directly without navigating through system preferences. File searching. Begin typing a part of the file name in Spotlight. Results will dynamically filter, allowing you to quickly locate and open the desired file. Folder navigation. Type the name of a folder in Spotlight. Open the folder directly without manually navigating through Finder. Quick web searches. Enter your search query in Spotlight. Results will include web search suggestions. Select Search Web to perform the search. Weather and time. Type weather or time followed by a location in Spotlight. Instantly get current weather conditions and time for the specified location. Unit conversions. Type the conversion you want to perform in Spotlight. Results will include a direct conversion without opening a dedicated app. Access system preferences. Type system preferences in Spotlight. Select the suggestion to directly open the System Preferences menu. Messaging. Type message followed by the contact's name in Spotlight. Select the contact to quickly open a messaging window. Application-specific searches. Type the name of an application followed by your search query. Spotlight will provide application-specific results, helping you find information within that app. Dictionary definitions. Type a word in Spotlight. Press Command plus L. Results will include dictionary definitions and synonyms for the entered word. Create events. Type calendar or event in Spotlight. Create a new event directly from the Spotlight results. Contact search. Type the name of a contact in Spotlight. Quickly locate and access contact details without opening the Contacts app. Music control. Type play, pause, or skip in Spotlight. Control your music playback without opening the Music app. Safari searches. Type your search query in Spotlight. Press Command plus B. Open Safari directly with the search results. Customizing Spotlight. Open Spotlight preferences by typing Spotlight and selecting Spotlight preferences. Customize search categories, keyboard shortcuts, and more for a personalized experience. Shortcut searches. Type a name of shortcut and press Enter. You can see the shortcut on menu bar, and it will be opened without opening Shortcuts app. There you have it. 15 Spotlight hacks with step-by-step guides to boost your productivity on your Mac. Try them out and revolutionize the way you interact with your Mac using Spotlight.